So we have a very springtime kit for today. It is the Butterflies in Bloom collection. Here's an overlook at the deluxe version. Now, technically, I am coming to you from Go Wild. I am not home right now, but I was able to get new laces up. So this is the Butterflies in Bloom collection, and here is a look at the full boxes here and then the functional like icons with the script stickers here. I don't think I've ever shown you guys like a closer look at these, but it's basically like a quick sampler. So it's like, do it today, fill up for your like gas tank, lazy days, girls nights, don't forget, bill dues. And then we have like chores and like week stickers and like paydays and things like that. So yeah, that's a closer look at those. And then we have the checklist boxes with the butterflies accents on those. The next page is the functional boxes. So we have all the washies, appointments, bill dues, habit trackers, and a whole bunch of different size boxes down here. The next page is the washi and date header sheet. Now, I will say that all of these are a la carte if you want a specific sheet, but here's a closer look at this one specifically with the butterflies, and then we have all the date headers. And I added butterflies to these flags. I usually don't add something to that. The foiled version of these is just normal like butterflies, I believe. I put those on there. And then the last page is the functional like deco, which is just all of the extra stickers that you might need to decorate your planner or layer and things like that. Yeah, that is the Butterflies in Bloom collection. It is available now in the shop. It comes with a whole bunch of different versions. So we have the essential kit, which is like the first 4 pages. The deluxe version has these extra 2 pages that I showed you guys. And then we also have a mini kit, which is a condensed version of like the essential kit, the Hobonichi Weeks kit for anyone who has a Hobonichi. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for $2 Tuesday. On Tuesday, there is a $2 Tuesday, March 8th. Just letting you guys know, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye everyone.